In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website fit for mobile in WordPress. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a business site, ensuring that your website is mobile friendly is crucial. With more users accessing the internet on their mobile devices than ever before, it's essential to provide a seamless experience no matter the screen size. So, let's dive right into the process and I'll walk you through the steps in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point for accessing your site's backend. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Next, you'll need to select the Continue with Google option. This method is simple and quick, especially if you're already logged into your Google account, as it will save you from entering separate login credentials. Now it's time to choose your Google account. Simply click on the account associated with your WordPress site and you'll be directed to your dashboard where the magic happens. Look over to the right panel under the section labelled Quick Links. Here you'll see several options, but for now focus on Edit Site and go ahead and click it. Once you're in the site editor, it's important to double check what your site looks like. To do this, scroll up and look for the View option. By clicking View, you'll get a glimpse of how your site appears to visitors, giving you a chance to spot any immediate design issues or text alignment problems. Next up, you want to make sure your site is optimized for mobile. In the upper menu, you'll find a drop down or button labeled Mobile. Clicking on Mobile allows you to see a preview of your mobile site layout. This preview is a powerful tool as it simulates how your website will look on a smartphone, enabling you to make necessary adjustments. As you navigate through these steps, it's worth keeping a few tips in mind. Remember that less is often more on mobile screens. Focus on simplifying your design, enlarging text if necessary, and ensuring buttons are easy to tap. The goal is to minimize scrolling and offer a user-friendly experience. To wrap things up, review your mobile setup once more to ensure everything looks just right. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully made your WordPress site fit for mobile. Enjoy the confidence of knowing your visitors will have a pleasing experience regardless of the device they're using. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful how-tos.